So I was working on making a sound system today, again for the 2D game, and use Openal SDK or something. That's a really funny thing where the 64-bit version was like not running. It just wouldn't tell me why. Obviously GDB and MGWin doesn't work. It was like because of a return statement and like a priest knows, and like it was doing something funny with the memory. Where it was like deleting something. So that's just like some other, it was just some weird anomaly gotcha. But like for some reason I felt like compiling it with 32-bit, and I did that beforehand. And I got lucky because I did. It did work. But I was able to get verbose OGG to work, and the AI generated a pretty good wave reader without having to use AULX or whatever, like the glue type library for Openal. Yeah, whatever. It's usually really simple. Just read the header, read it in the WAV file. I had to create a source and a buffer and attach it to a source for every sound, and then I gave every sound like 4 channels, so that way if you press the same, if you play the same sound index, it'll just go to like the next channel. It doesn't even check whether it's playing or not. It just says AL play, and AL play in that sense doesn't really need to be multi-threaded. It just plays right away. You actually have to sleep in order to hear everything like kind of different, so you don't play everything all at once. If you call it AL play on 10 files, you won't just play them sequentially, you'll just play them all at once. Yeah, you can also use the while loop and just query the state until the state doesn't say it's playing. And before I was like doing that, now I just like completely even got rid of that. I didn't really get rid of it, I still kept that variable around. But it doesn't even check. It just like goes to the next index, and then like we have multiple sounds playing. Obviously they're being spread across like 64 channels. I think I made like 32. I set it to the bare minimum, so it would for sure work on Android on like a really shitty phone. But it's on PC. But I used old Android's OGG loader. I just recycled it. It was pretty funny. But it like works for the basics. I just need to get MP3 to work now, or music. I guess background music should be an MP3. Why? It's just like, I don't know.